In 2016, Domino's designed the first commercial drone. In 2017, Domino's started working on the first autonomous car to deliver pizza straight to your door. This year, Domino's can redefine the pizza industry with the first store to have completely automated pizza creating technology. Speed and consistency is guaranteed with automated robotics, creating a more controlled and precise product. KPPM Innovations is dedicated to improving and redefining the standards within the workplace. The pizza industry is a competitive market focused on speed, deals and quality. Domino's is aimed to become the #1 pizza company in the world, and with our help, they will do just that. Our idea is to completely automate the pizza creation process, making a more consistent product faster than ever before.
We here at KPPM are looking to innovate through process re-engineering. We want to make a permanent radical change involved with the pizza making method. Our research has shown that often investments into technology made by Domino's have resulted in a spike in sales and profit for the company. This is made clear when looking at the sales after the introduction of the app and pizza tracker system. We predict that our product will allow for this pattern to continue, increasing sales and revolutionising the pizza industry. Technological advancements over the past few years have affected the fast food pizza market drastically. For example, Zoom, a fast food pizza business, is using automated robots to make their pizza. However, we believe we can expand on these advancements, and Domino's can exploit their emerging trend by using smart or connected robots. This technology is part of the current AI everywhere trend spoken about by Gartner in 2017. By integrating this technology with another recognised by Gartner's trend, the Internet of Things, a much better pizza making process can be introduced by having each part of the process connected and automated. The Internet of Things is still approaching its peak of inflated expectations, meaning that Domino's would be at the forefront of innovation if they were to take advantage of the technology. We also believe that a customer experience and brand loyalty will be improved. People will be interested in the technology, bringing an initial boost in sales, as mentioned earlier. Once a customer realises that the system improves the ease of purchase and the product itself, they'll be more willing to make Domino's their first choice pizza chain. We also believe that this is a good opportunity to raise their profile and to increase brand awareness as a company at the forefront of innovation and technology, not just a fast food franchise. A final benefit for Domino's would be the long-term saving that would come after the initial purchase of the technology, as maintenance and running of the machinery would cost less than the pay of the current employees tasked with making pizzas.
According to IBS World 2017, the main market for pizza delivery and takeaway industry is people under the age of 55, who tend to have a busier lifestyle, relatively high disposable income, and may also have families. This shows that if Domino's want to take total control of the market, they should be doing more to appeal to this target audience. Looking at the pizza industry geographically, London is home to the highest share of pizza delivery and takeaway operators, accounting for an estimated 19.4% in 2017-18. This shows that London can be targeted by companies like Domino's in order to diversify and expand and gain more market share. Domino's currently have a competitive advantage over Pizza Hut, as e-commerce now accounts for 78% of Domino's total UK deliveries, and 49% of online sales are made through the mobile app. This shows that Domino's are already leading the way in the market in terms of technology, whereas Pizza Hut are still trying to catch up. This is shown by Pizza Hut trying to copy Domino's offer by offering extensive discounts and offers like 2 for Tuesdays, which is similar to Domino's 2 for 1 promotion, according to IBS World, in order to boost online sales.
At its core, IoT is simple. It's about connecting devices over the internet, letting them talk to us, applications, and each other. It is increasingly being used to define objects that talk to each other. By combining these connected devices with automated systems, it is possible to gather information, analyse it, and create an action to help someone with a particular task, or learn from a process in reality. This ranges from smart mirrors to beacons in shops and beyond. We are planning to incorporate this idea into our production process at Domino's. This can be done by creating smart shops where all of the necessary appliances are interlinked. The goal for this project is to create a fully automated system that stretches all the way from the oven to the driver without any human input. Hopefully, this improved process will produce a more consistent product at a faster speed with less risk of human error. KPPM will start by training this system at one location to determine the viability of the concept. We expect this trial to be a huge success and potentially expand to other locations. This trial period is necessary so that machinery can be assessed for any bugs or malfunctions and the consumer satisfaction can be judged. Based on this, Domino's can decide which stores they would like to integrate the technology into.
In conclusion, we are using the Internet of Things platform and smart robots to re-engineer the Domino's process by creating an interconnected shop. This shop will be more efficient, create more public interest, and eventually make Domino's a significant profit. Our goal is to achieve a more consistent product at a faster rate of production and eliminate human interaction as much as possible, all while bettering the customer experience. We hope you enjoyed our project video and hope you enjoyed listening. Thank you.